Hey everyone, today my newest blog is out and I'm bringing you House Hunting 101 with my top 8 things that every first-time home buyer should know. Hey everyone, I'm Michael Eimer with HomeWA, brokered by eXp Realty, and thank you for checking out my channel. First, please be sure to like and subscribe because this will motivate me to keep creating new and valuable content for all of you. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an experienced investor, or someone who's just passionate about real estate, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing insights, tips, and the latest market trends to help you make informed decisions. So hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Remember, your journey home starts with me. Number 1 is the brilliance of budgeting. Yes, money's scary to talk about, but you want to plan ahead and make sure you have what you need to purchase the home you want. When you're buying a home, you never know what kind of hidden treasures it's going to offer, so I always recommend getting an inspection, and that's number 2. Number 3 is loving the location. A home is a home, but so is your neighborhood. You gotta love where you're at, so make sure you check out that neighborhood at different times during the day and see if it fits the lifestyle you want. Number 4 is thinking resale. I know, you just bought a new house. Why are you already thinking of getting rid of it? You think it'll be the home you'll be in for the rest of your life, but that's not always the case. So make sure you're looking at things that are gonna hold their value and sell well in the future. Number 5 is thinking structure over style. A lot of folks can't see past the cosmetic things on a home, but lots of things are fixable, usually just with a can of paint. Number 6 is to be prepared for hidden costs. Yes, there are some hidden costs with buying a house, such as sharing things like property taxes, insurance, maintenance, possibly utility. Next on the list is patience being a virtue. Yes, the old adage is true. Sometimes the house hunt can take a little longer than expected, so starting early and planning ahead are essential. And finally, number 8 on all things first-time home buyers should be ready for is read. Yes, the contract is big and it's got a lot of words in it, but that's what a real estate professional is for, to help you navigate through that. Be sure to ask questions and again, read every word. For a little more in-depth light reading on this subject, be sure to check out my blog at homewa.com. Links are in my bio. You'll also see them on the banner here at the bottom. We'll be posting more and more, and please be sure to comment, like, share. Let us know what you want us to talk about. The market's always changing. Homes are always changing. So I'm here to be your resource for all things Spokane and real estate. Thanks, guys.